Reward apps are getting more competitive in 2026, and the biggest difference between them isn't how many points they advertise. It's how quickly you can actually turn your time into real rewards. Some focus on receipts, some on games, and others on short tasks. So picking the right one depends on how you like to earn. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps worth trying in 2026, what each one does best, and which type of user each app fits. Starting with iFetch Rewards. If you already shop for groceries or household items, this is one of the easiest apps to keep installed. Scan eligible receipts after shopping, collect points, and redeem them for gift cards. The app also runs bonus offers on selected brands, so checking those before shopping can increase your rewards without changing your routine. If you already save receipts, this app takes very little extra effort. Next is Rewarded Playing. Instead of earning from shopping, this app rewards you for playing mobile games. After installing a game through Rewarded Play, you earn points by completing gameplay milestones. Those points can then be exchanged for supported gift cards. It's a better fit for people who already spend time playing games on their phone instead of those looking for passive rewards. Third is Clover. Clover combines financial tools with optional ways to earn rewards through activities inside the app. Depending on what's available in your account, you may find surveys, offers, or other reward opportunities. If you already use Clover for its financial features, checking the rewards section regularly can help you collect extra benefits without downloading another app. Fourth is Bingo Cash. This app is designed for players who enjoy skill-based bingo competitions. Rather than earning points, players compete in matches and may win prizes where cash games are available. Before entering paid competitions, understand the rules, entry fees, and availability in your location, since they can vary. Finally, Solitaire Cash. If you prefer solitaire over bingo, this app offers a similar competitive format with skill-based matches. New users should spend time in free practice games first to understand the gameplay before deciding whether paid contests are right for them. So, here's the quick recap. Fetch Rewards is great for receipt scanning. Rewarded Play rewards mobile gaming. Clover adds reward opportunities alongside its financial features, and Bingo Cash and Solitaire Cash are built for competitive players who enjoy skill-based games. Pick the app that matches what you already do every day, instead of changing your habits just to earn rewards. If this video helped you decide, leave a like, subscribe, and check out the next guide for more apps that can help you earn smarter.